Everyone, welcome to back my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great and everything going well in good life. Today we are going to discuss how to improve your English faster, because you have been learning English for many months or even years, but you still can't speak English fluently. So this session is for you. I have noticed practical. Many of you get confused. They don't know the from where I should start speaking class. Should I join an institute to improve our English, to speak English confidently? I will provide you one stop solution. You don't need to join any coaching institute to improve your English. You can learn English by sitting at your home. You don't need to pay any penny from your pockets. So this session is completely for you. If you are a beginner, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, because your one like, subscribe and gives me such a kind of motivation. We should upload premium content for you, so that you can improve your English, improve your communication by watching my video content. So let's get started today's session. So don't wait until your English is perfect. Speak for every day 5 to 10 minutes. I think I feel gas. Even if you make mistakes, doesn't matter. Remember, fluency comes from speaking, not just studying much. So today I will show you some unique and practical tips and technique that you can use in your daily routine to improve your English fluently. So tip number 1, speak every day. Don't wait until your English is perfect. Speak every day for 5 to 10 minutes every day. Even if you make mistakes, doesn't matter. Every mistake is a lesson for you. Every mistake teaches you something new lesson. You should not do this. You should do practice as much as possible as you can do. Tip number 2, think in English. Start thinking English instead of translating from Hindi to English. Because always you keep translating from Hindi to English, that's why you are unable to speak English confidently. Start with simple sentence. I am going to college. It's raining today. I will teach you English. मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा. I will go there. I will help you to speak English. Learn common phrases, not just isolated words. Instead of memorizing common words, learn common phrases. For example, could you please help me? I know what you are doing. I think you are right. What do you mean? Common phrases will help you to improve your English naturally. So this is the benefit of common phrase. Tip number 3, listen and repeat. Every native speakers listen through the videos, podcasts, and YouTube videos and pause and repeat the same pronunciation, rhythm, and voice modulation. It will help you a lot to improve your communication skills. Tip number 4, you have to don't afraid of making mistakes. Don't fear making mistakes. Mistakes are the part of learning. This is the natural that everybody makes mistake in the beginning. You are not alone. आप अकेले नहीं हो. बहुत सारे लोग मेहनत करते हैं, बहुत सारी गलती करते हैं, लेकिन मेहनत करने के बावजूद भी instead of hard working, they don't get anything, because they are hard working in the wrong direction. That's why they are not able to get anything in their lives. So you have to repeat each and every action with the help of your cell phone and copy the same pronunciation, intonation, so that you can improve your English confidently. So this is the natural process. Making mistakes, there is nothing wrong to a making mistake. Mistakes are the part of learning. If you mistake today, mistake will teach you something, correcting them and speaking again. Remember one thing, success doesn't belong to the person who never falls. Success belongs to the person who never gives up after failing. You start complaining that your English doesn't improve the day you become perfect. Your English improves the day when you stop being afraid of making mistakes. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video more superb, interesting, and I will see you in the next session.